Before diesel, there was a giant. Forged in 1941, the Union Pacific Big Boy was built for one purpose: to conquer the towering Wasatch Mountains and haul America's heaviest freight. With more than 1 million pounds of steel and unmatched steam power, it became one of the largest and most powerful locomotives ever built. Decades have passed, but this legend still commands silence the moment it comes into view. This isn't just a train. It's a living monument to American engineering, power, and history. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.